What's up, ladies and germs, boys and girls? As you guys can see, it's your host of the most, Paul Cantu, back with a brand new video. Now, at the end of my last video, I told y'all I would have a special guest in the building, live, in the flesh, for this trip to the Thrift. We have my boy, the man, the myth, the legend.
I was just over here studying a Hungarian dung beetle. Okay. But I took time out of my day to do this little video with you, Mr. Paul Cantu. Okay. I'm honored to be here.
Appreciate that, man. So yeah, that is J. Will, Jacob Star, the Star Life. And this dude hits a good amount of thrifts as well, and he frequents the bins. And recently, there have been some bins popping open in my city, so it's time I slide through and I see what the bins have to offer. So without further ado, let's hop, skip, and jump. It's early, right into the bins, and hopefully find some vintage treasure. Let's get it. I love y'all. Like, subscribe, turn on the bell. Let's get in there. All right, guys, we're live in the building. Check this out, man. They haven't restocked like in the morning, but there's still some goodies that were left over. Some newer contempt stuff, but still some beautiful divine designs. You got Mickey Mouse, all American out, man. This fool is fitted like a flag. This thing is fire. And then I found another contemporary piece, a little Team Nike, Butamus, Houston Astros with the center check, screen printed though. Still very, very nice. And then, bro, Guess jeans, Guess denim. I bet you can't guess what's up in them.
Guess jeans, Guess denim. I bet you can't guess what's up in them.
But yeah, that's 3 things off rip.
All 3 of y'all.
Got another one. The homie Joe hooked us up, showed us a bin full of gems. Guess jeans, once again, size 30. The jorts. I'm trying to put Jacob onto the jort game. We'll see. Look at that ass patch. My guy. And then look at the long sleeve stripe. That Ziza. Slight little mustard fumble. But that's still beautiful. Bro, look at Big Tony. Got little 2000s. Kellogg's by a TNT, my guy. Yeah, this thing is fire. I just sold a Chester Cheeto on site. I gotta grab this, man. Frosted Flakes, a classic. So healthy. Bro, they got the Rice Krispies as well, 2006. What you mean? Also, if you're trying to get a little weird, man, they got the Scooby Furry Fit. Come on, daddy. All fetishes fulfilled in the bins. All right, we got Jacob and I's child, as he pointed out, just sitting in the bin. With the tatted on eyebrows. Perfect. And then look at these, man. More jorts for men. I'm trying to put this man on. You gotta show off kneecap, bro. No cap, show the cap. Orange tab though. Vintage jorts. Size 30 in the waist. These definitely look like they might fit a little smaller than that. But I'm gonna grab these little hoes. Look, man. You guys know I'm not above anything. Straight up. Look at this. You got the dead stock silk vintage bitchin' boxers. Stroke my what? My guy, stroke my cactus.
Stroke my cactus.
These are 2000, man. 21-year-old silk boxers, bro. And all these are DS, man. And you guys know, even if they weren't, I love having another man's dick sweat on my sausage, okay? Look at this. Kiss my balls for luck. Come on, man. Hardest snapback I've ever seen, man. If I were to rob a bingo hall, this is definitely what I would pull up in. That fool has that snout, that sniffer, that nose. What you mean? Oh my guys, fishes get you hella what? Hella biatches. Look at this, Schwingster, made in the United States of America. This thing is a vintage little coach jacket, big bass, big ass on the back. Ooh, they do got my marital status, a little single stitch. No, I am taking though, but I just ain't married, that's what I mean. Single stitch over the hill and on a roll. My guys, on the 50-50. National tag. All right, guys, we just busted through another rotation. Obviously, like if they bring out a bin, I can't just be holding the camera and accurately sifting through gear. But I did grab some things, man. You got the pleated, really sick polyester vintage Wrangler pants, size 35 in the waist. I wore some vintage Levi's like this that were just so beautiful. Look at that, Jacob's testing the fit on neck.
It's more of a 32.
I got the Adidas T-Grays jersey as well. Super sick. And then some bootleg T-Grays soccer jerseys. I really like this one. Despite the fact that it's booty leg, I'll like flip these for hella cheap. Still cool, especially to play in so you don't dirty up an authentic jersey. You heard me? And then you guys know. You guys know. What? Earth is what? Earth is my planet.
Earth is my planet.
You got the Earth tee right there. Hey, show them your finds too, bro. Because you low-key got some tings.
We got the, you say it? Earth is my planet. There you go. Imagine with the peace sign and the little peace sign right here.
Bro, that shit is so crispy. Nice little stoner hoodie.
Little Baja pullover. And then, you know, San Francisco, SF. Where me and Paul actually met.
Oh, we did meet.
This is where we first kindled our relationship.
Fornicated.
Yes.
Of course. It got like the Fruity Pebble infusion on it. Thing is nice, man.
Nice. With 2 collars. It's gonna keep your neck nice and warm.
You never can have enough collars.
It's always
bro.
good to get a lot of neck, you know?
That's right. Throat for days. All right, guys. Another rotation, man. Hey, if this had the Travis Scott, you know, logoing and signaling on it, y'all would love it. You feel me? But I still do. You know why? Because I avoid that FOMM, fear of missing McRib. You heard me? Oh man, dude, McRibs are so disgusting, just conceptually. And then you have the 2005 McDonald's World Cup. Bro, taste the glory. I love the glory hole reference on the back. Then you got the Adidas Dynamo jersey, and then I found this single stitch. Will you hold it up for me, man? Look at that. Marine fire protection. If it ain't Air Force, though, I don't fuck with it, you hear me? Dude, this is what I love when I sift and dig and I find a little treat at the bottom of the bin, man. This thing is infused with flavor. Oh, no, this is mine, bro. You trying to fight me in the bins over this, bro? You dropped. Look at this, guys. Another one. Catch of the day. Fishes get you hella biatches. I love these huge prints. Guy Harvey, come on, with a pocket for narcotics. All right, guys, we've been in here just like an hour and a half, something like that, and we came up with a lot of things. The last 2 finds I got in here, got this little NASCAR tee, Menards, ooh, and then I got that goo, that GGU Golden Gate University, with that triple stitch in the collar, man, multicolored sleeves. Yeah, overall, man, it's not like I pulled a grail, but I got a bunch of good divine thrift finds. What you think, Jacob? How's it compare?
I think it's quite delicious, and I will say I love the bins out here.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're at the next spot right now. Family Thrift. You already know. Hopefully, it does come through like the bins did. Look at this guy, man.
It's like camera inception, baby.
I want them to merge. Oh, yeah. I like seeing that wrist work. Oh, 2 hands? That fool's swimming through the clothes. Anyways, guys, I found a couple of things already, man. You got the Boston Red Sox, dyslexia. And then look at this, the Chelsea Adidas soccer jersey, only $6. Dude, we hitting today, we hitting. Let me see what else. All right, guys, we got a couple of Team Nike. You know, we don't do 3 stripes, you feel me? You got the Mizzou, number 9, and then you got the Nike Essential, whatever team you want it to be, but I just had to highlight the price. It's $6.56. What does that round up to? My guys, wait for it. You know it. 7! Ooh, that's my dream car. I love to whip that wiener. Trippy. Jacob found that Grateful Dead, as he pointed out, but nah, still clean, that little surf style. You look like a surfer, dude.
I almost put it back, and then he realized that it was surf style, and I was like,
I let you ride my board, but it's funny, my board's my cock. Don't you love BOGOs?
Legendary. This is gonna go for $1 million.
You're welcome, my guy. I was fucking with you before, but we got the real deal right now. Right now. Right now. Bruh. Come on, man. Tell them boys quit playing with me, bro.
Supreme the Thrift?
Bro, tell them boys to quit playing with me, bro. For 99 skin.
Look at the pure quality.
Oh, yes, bro. What type of printer do you think that came out of?
This is definitely some...
That's inkjet.
I'm not gonna lie. And we'll stop hyping it up and just call it what it is.
Okay.
This is definitely some middle of the mall shit.
Bro,
It's
stop.
some middle of the mall
Why are you doing
shit.
that?
This is middle mall shit.
This ain't no middle of the mile shit.
Bro, what
That's
you
middle of the
doing?
mall shit.
It's a sunny day and now there's shit coming from the clouds. What is that, bro? Come on. This shirt has that elderly person font. This thing is so big. Man, anybody could make out what it says, baby. Except for me, I'm illiterate. This thing is so clean. Look at the year, 1990. Wait, hold on, what is it? 7! Bro, another one, same color scheme, you heard me. That Quilford red. Bro, get you hella hoes with the slight checker in it. Yeah, that's right. That's right, checkmate. $3.
All 3 of y'all.
Bro, this shirt doesn't even need commentary. It's just straight facts. All right, guys, we're about to skedaddle out here as well. And the orange tab Levi shorts that I found in the previous spot, a dude forgot, so I gave them back to him. And then what comes around goes around, bruh. These things are actually my size. Orange tab Levi's jorts for men. I'm telling you, Jacob, you gotta crop the pants, all right? We need to see them calves. But yeah, this dude is clean. Tree bucks. Let's go. All right, we're out of there, y'all. Look at this big urine-colored sack of fire. That's what I'm talking about. We hit 2 spots and came true with the loot. You guys already know.
We're out of there, y'all.
Jacob is my good luck charm.
We're out of there, y'all.
I don't sound like that, Jacob. All right, guys, you know what time it is. Bonus footage. Hey, we're in the next spot, which is a Goodwill. And usually the store's trash. It still kind of is today. But I found 4 little tings, Seattle Mariners. This man brought in that PNW, right? Right on time, too, man. Look at this. Slightly wavy. Then you got the nice little turf grass green Polo Ralph Lauren, huh? Little blue hits on the inside. Right, yeah, look at that, bro. Could look like a whole string bean. Fresh, not cooked. Gulf Greyhound Park. A lot of my homies worked there growing up. Interesting. And you got the Snap-on Racing as well. And that is it. And all right, my guys. We're back home right now, and I had a fantabulous time hitting the bins with Jacob. Found a bunch of good stuff. Nothing, again, necessarily too wild, but enough to moisten the loins. So if you guys want anything you saw in today's video, check out my website, thriftheavenvintage.com. Drops are hitting every week, and if you guys want to follow the Thrift Heaven Instagram, all the info is linked in the video description. That's how you guys know when the drops occur. But shout out to homie Jacob Starr for partaking in this video. We have a lot more videos coming soon. If you guys want to take a gander at his channel, I am featured in a video. And if you guys want to watch a plant channel, gardening channel, I have one of those too. Link in the description. I'm about to edit a video for that channel right now. But I love you guys. Thanks for watching. And until next time, man, live the dream, eat that ice cream. I'm locked, I'm loaded, and I'm out. Peace. See y'all soon.
Killing these songs, leaving them bloody like Paru's do. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.